Hello, Bo. We're in your room right now. We're not supposed to be. You're at the faggot fight out party.
You could reenact New Year's.
Hi, you're gonna reenact New Year's. I'll give you a crotch shot just a minute. Never mind, I can't. You're out of sodas. All you got is 2 Coors Light. Ain't that some shit? Alright, man. Peace out, bye.
Alright, we got a bird in here. It's number 13.
Focus, fucker. There you go. I don't know if it's alive or not. We're going in.
Guess I'll try it.
I don't know. Throw some more shit at it. I got this. We're gonna throw this at it. There we go. Throw it, dude. I think it's dead. I think it moved.
Did it?
Yeah.
Here.
Don't throw that. Don't throw that.
I can fucking touch it. Ready?
Don't throw that.
We're great.
Fuck you.
Need this?
There you go. There you go. I think he's dead.
I got you.
Alright, go grab it, dude.
What? The bird?
Go grab it.
What?
Go grab it, faggot.
The bird?
Yes, the bird.
No.
Why not?
It's a fucking bird.
You're not bite. Oh, it's alive! Ah! Oh, damn it. It's back behind there. Oh, shit. I don't see it, dude.
See it?
I don't. It's alive. There you go.
I'm one of the 3 of the horniest devils. I'm not funny, Jay, but I'm a psycho. That buzz smoking, panic, feeling P-town. Got a 7-4 slant, nose beat up, yeah. This is for the bitches in the bitch push too. I'm straight down from that goddamn pussy. She comes out the trigger boy, smoking late in the back of the
Hey, Bernie. I see it.
I don't see him, man. Where'd it go, man? It's gonna go out that side. Go to the...
It's on that end?
No! Shit!
It's on my bed. Demon, get out! Dude, it's fucking, like, injured or something.
Alright, dude. We get like a blanket and put it over top of it.
And throw it out the window.
Yeah.
I'm gonna grab a blanket.
Alright. Sheet.
Hey, birdie. Birdie, birdie.
You ready, dude?
Alright, let me get this one.
Ready, dude.
Quit! Get off the pusher!
I see him.
I think shit on it. You burn that shit on. Fucker, get off. Hey!
Throw the blanket on him now.
Come on, dude. Come on. Damn it. Get up. Get off. Ah! You
got this?
I see him. In the corner
Come to
there.
the middle.
Me?
Quit. Get out.
I thought he was gonna.
No, Ty! Get off! Ah! Get off my boat! Quit! Come on! Get down! You fucker! Ah! Get off, damn it!
He's stuck.
No, he's not. Get down! Ah, shit!
Where the fuck is he? God damn it! Hey, there's a window there. Maybe I'll go out that door. I'm gonna go out the little hole. Or just get the blanket in the corner and like force him out.
Alright.
Ah, Daisy.
Cut that shit out. Come on, you gotta help.
Coors Light.
Coors Light forever! Where's he at? Stop burger bit.
You see him?
No. I can't see with my lights.
You don't got your glasses in there?
Damn it. Where's the phone?
It's in the living room. It's in the big room there. God damn dog. Here, birdie, 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 birdie. Here, birdie, 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 birdie.
Battery's low.
No message.
You see that little bastard?
No.
It's back there. I know he is. I sense it.
Maybe he's behind the TV.
He ain't behind the TV, he's back here. I see him.
Where it's
Back
like,
he's right back here, behind my speaker. Damn it. Oh, you got me. You see him? Up against the wall?
yep.
Yeah, dude. Come on. Go home.
Come on, Tweety. Tweety bird.
Why do I gotta do this?
Cause it's your place, man. He's got downs.
No, you can't get out. Dude, get out. Goddamn, I ain't playing. Get out. Put you in a Ziploc. Oh, here we go.
Oh, awesome, myself. Hey, man. Yeah, we got a net at home, like a real bird catching net.
Yeah. I'm not sure if I should point out that.
Did you get him in
Yeah.
there? Yeah. Turn the thing around. Here, hold up. Cottonmouth.
Go on to the world, fucker. Don't you dare go back in.
Let's shut the window. There you go.
I'll be damned if he comes back in. Rewind that shit, I watch it.